Так, а
Gdzie zakręcają kieranęła.
Da,
Namadila nevi.
Okay, so we are here in neighborhood Lisice in the municipality of Aerodrom together with 10 informal waste collectors, and we are organizing the system. We collect the waste from households. From one hand, we want to teach and educate the citizens that they need to select their waste at their household, and then we organize and we connect them with the informal waste collectors that come and pick up their waste. The aim is to organize the system and to formalize the waste collectors, so they actually have economic and social benefits from the system, and from the other hand, the households to actually pay for less waste produced by that they're going to select in their homes. So this is just the pilot action that is going on in the neighborhood of Lisice. The long-term idea is that we expand this action on the level of city of Skopje and in the level of Republic of Macedonia. In the long run, we actually have this identification and is a new profession, which is a waste collector, that all the at the moment informal waste collectors will go through a training and get this license, and with this they're going to be able to collect the waste from households and from companies as well, and the companies that buy the waste from them, they also are just allowed to receive that waste from waste collectors that actually have this identification that says went through the training. This is in a long run what we aim to establish and organize the system for waste management in Macedonia.